morning, children. So today we are completing this chapter 3. Adjectives and degrees of comparison. All of you open page 27. Fill in the blanks with many or much. That I have filled, so you will also fill. Okay? Use of some and any. Now some is used with affirmative sentences and any is used with negative. When we ask a question, we often use some if we expect an affirmative answer, and we usually use any if we expect a negative answer. She is feeling tired. Could you make some lemonade for her? The word some is used because an affirmative answer is expected. I think you can complete the project on your own. Do you require any help? Here the word any is used because a negative answer is expected. Now fill in the blanks with some or any. Here I filled for you. You will also have to fill. The use of little, a little and the little. Little is used with uncountable nouns. Little indicates almost none. Almost none. A little indicates at least some. Thodu. The little indicates the whole, though very little. There is little milk in the pan. She cannot make a cup of tea for you with that. She can make a cup of tea for you as there is a little milk in the pan. She made 2 cups of tea with the little milk in the pan. Use of few, a few and the few. Few is used with countable nouns. Few indicates not many, just like a little like that few. Not many, maybe almost none. A few indicates as at least some. The few shows all of them but very few. Few boys attended the martial arts coaching class today. A few boys attended the coaching class yesterday as it was a holiday in school. The few boys who attended the martial arts class practiced the kicks and punches sincerely. Page 28. Here little, a little, the little, few, a few and the few. I have filled in the blanks for you. You will also fill. Now later, latest and last. Okay, it is only 8 o'clock. She will leave later for office. Afterwards. The latest news is shocking. The boy went and sat in the last row. Rina and Minal are good friends. The later is a talented dancer. Later means pachini. Here later indicates Minal. Use